Ara, I'm a bit frustrated with the results of my analytics.
I get the frustration.
Breakdown simply where I went wrong, Ara, please.
Seeing your channel on the left, lagging way behind a similar one on the right, feels like you're stuck while others take off. It often seems like a shadow ban, but YouTube officially says they don't do shadow bans in the classic sense. Instead, the algorithm can limit visibility based on performance signals like low engagement, watch time, or content flags, making it feel exactly like one. Many creators call it that when impressions tank suddenly. Quick ways to check if it's a visibility issue, not full ban. 1. Look at YouTube Studio Analytics. This is the best first step. 2. Go to Analytics/Reach tab. 3. Check impressions, how many times your thumbnails show up, and sources, browse features, suggested videos, search. 4. If impressions are very low or mostly from subscribers, not external, and CTR, click-through rate is decent but overall views are stuck low, algorithm isn't pushing your content broadly. 5. Sudden drops in impressions, views without you changing anything is a red flag. Search Testa. Log out or use incognito, private mode, different browser account. Search your exact video title or channel name. If your videos don't appear or rank super low for relevant searches that used to work, possible suppression. Third-party checkers, free, quick. Tools like Bulkoid's YouTube Shadowbanned Checker, bulkoid.com/YouTube-shadowban-checker, or YTlarge/YT-peak detectors. Paste your channel URL or @handle. These scan for visibility issues in search, suggestions, etc. Other signs. Videos stuck at 0 to 200 views, even after days. No recommendations in up next or home feeds for non-subs. Comments and likes drop sharply. If it's not showing in search or impressions are near 0, it could be limited visibility. But often, it's not a true shadow ban. It's the algorithm deciding your content isn't holding viewers or matching interests well compared to the right channel. Why your channel might lag behind a similar one. The right side channel likely wins on key algorithm factors, even if production looks similar. Higher watch time, retention. Viewers watch more of the video. Better CTR from thumbnails, titles. People click more when they see it. Stronger engagement early on. Likes, comments, shares in first hours pushes it more. More consistent posting schedule. Better topic, keyword match to current trends or viewer searches. Established momentum. Older channels get more initial tests from the algo. Small differences compound fast. YouTube pushes what keeps people on the platform longer. How to level up your channel. Get closer to that caliber. Focus on these proven 2026 era tips to rebuild momentum and get the algorithm working for you. 1. Hook hard in first 10 to 15 seconds. Start with a strong question, bold claim, or visual hook. Retention is king. 2. Thumbnails and titles. Make them irresistible. Bright, emotional faces, text, curiosity. Test variations. Aim for 5 to 10% plus CTR. 3. Optimize for search and SEO. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ for keyword research. Put main keywords in title, first line of description, tags, and speak them in the video. 4. Post consistently, even 1 to 2 quality videos a week, plus shorts to feed the algo. Build sequences. Example, short teaser, long video, poll, and community post on same topic. 5. Boost early engagement. Share new videos on socials, Reddit, relevant subs, Discord, or communities right after upload to get initial views, comments. 6. Improve watch time. End screens, cards to next video, playlists, no fluff intros. Aim for 50% plus average view duration. 7. Analyze and iterate. In Studio, see what videos perform best. Outliers. Make more like those. If a video pops, follow with related content fast. 8. Avoid flags. No controversial, borderline stuff, reused content, or spam. If you suspect issues, delete underperformers or private old ones temporarily. It can take weeks, months, to reset momentum, but many creators break out by fixing retention plus thumbnails first. If you share your channel link or niche, type of content, I could give more tailored advice. Hang in there, you're not alone, and small tweaks can snowball.